Trees are the lungs of our earth, and forests are the foundations for all life. Yet, our forests are in trouble. Guardians of the Forest is a transformational online course taught by 40 practitioners from over 30 nations around the world. Through 7 bioregionally focused modules, we'll travel to remote forest locations from Borneo to Brazil, Siberia to Liberia, where traditional knowledge and practices are kept intact, as well as to cities, universities, and NGOs to learn from the latest science and environmental research. We'll explore spiritual, ecological, cultural, and legal aspects of forest guardianship. We'll learn secrets of the trees and encounter ancient traditions of forest wisdom that can enrich human life in times of ecological and personal crisis. Register at www.forestguardians.co.